Hello and welcome friends. Today I will show you how to use if function. If function is used to compare two values in Excel. You can compare whether one value is equal to the other value, whether one value is greater than the other value, whether one value is less than the other value. Let me show you how to use if function. All you have to do is write it in a format of function is equal to if, start the brackets, and then test it. Let's say we want to test if the two values are same or not. In that case, all you have to do is to say B2, which is this value here, 2014-0101, is equal to C2. We are comparing two values. If B1 is equal to, if B2 is equal to C2, and if this is true, if B2 is equal to C2, we want to return a value, let's say true. And if B2 is not equal to C2, we return a value, let's say false. Enter. It's false because B2 is not equal to C2. Let's do the same comparison with all the rows here. Right here, as you can see, these two values are not equal. One says Canada, other says CanDAA. These values are equal, so it returned true. These values are also equal. 18% is equal to 0.18. It returns true. 20% is not equal to 19%. 6900 is not equal to 6990. Now let's do a quick twist here. Let's say if B6 is greater than C6, then return true, otherwise return false. It returned true because B6, this is greater than this. Let's do the same thing here. Let's say if B7 is less than C7, return true, otherwise return false. See, it returned true because C7, 6990, is greater than 6900. This is how simple if function is. Any questions? Let me know.